Alright YouTube, so the vehicle we're working on today is a 2000 Honda Accord, 6-cylinder, 3.0 liter engine, and it has the Honda VTECs. So, quick thing, we're going to be replacing the VTEC gasket to eliminate an oil leak. So the complaint was an oil leak coming from the engine. We did the oil pan. And the oil pan is just, you drop the oil pan and it's a silicone that is used on that. There is no gasket, it's RTV. And then the vehicle was still leaking, and it was determined to be coming from the VTEC gasket. Two different gasket failures. And so I just wanted to point out what the VTEC is on these models, and it's basically the spool filter, and the it's on the oil filter housing. So it's really straightforward. You're going to remove the passenger side tire, you're going to remove the inner fender, and then there's three 12mm bolts that secure it to the side of the engine block, and then the entire oil filter housing comes out as one piece. And then once it's out, there's two separate gaskets. This is the one that mounts on the engine side with the mesh netting, and this is the one for the spool filter on the top of the oil filter housing, which is just secured in place by two 10mm bolts. Alright, so basically the synopsis is VTEC gasket failure. Quick and easy fix. Remove passenger side tire. Make room with the inner fender, just get it out of the way, no need to entirely remove it. Remove three 12mm bolts that secure it in place, and being the oil filter housing, it will come off of the vehicle, and then just remove the two 10s on top, and don't forget to remove the two connectors. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe. Until next time.